Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate to ExpressVPN account securely on iPhone, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by ensuring your iPhone is connected to a secure Wi-Fi network. Navigate to the App Store on your iPhone. In the search bar, type ExpressVPN and press search. Find the ExpressVPN app in the search results and tap on it. Once the app page opens, tap the Get button to download it. Wait for the app to install on your device. After installation, locate the ExpressVPN app on your home screen and tap to open it. On the welcome screen, look for the option to sign in. Input your registered email address associated with your ExpressVPN account. Next, enter your password carefully, ensuring there are no typos. If you have enabled two-factor authentication, you will receive a code on your authentication method. Access this code and input it in the required field within the app. After entering the code, tap Sign in to access your account securely. Once signed in, you may be prompted to allow ExpressVPN to configure your device. This is necessary for establishing a secure connection. Follow the on-screen instructions to allow these configurations. When prompted, enter your device passcode to authorize the changes. Now you are ready to use ExpressVPN on your iPhone. Take a moment to explore the app's features and options for connecting to a server. Enjoy browsing securely and privately with ExpressVPN. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.